Ricky Watts at Fawcett. Dyma Jack Wilson. Williams yn mentro ymlaen hwn yn symudiad bach da gan Hwlffordd y Bêl at Fawcett yn sgwar a Ricky Watts yn rhwydo ac yn gorffen symudiad hyfryd i Hwlffordd. A wedi dim ond 7 munud. Mae'r adar gleision ar y blaen. Gôl gynta'r tymor i Ricky Watts. Kane Owen ar tafliad at Nathan Wood. Owen trwy goesau Watts. A'r Bêl gan Wood, y croesiad ddim yn gywir, ond Harling ar peniad. Amon yn codi, Amon yn rhoi'r Bêl yng nghefn y rhwyd. A mae Penybont yn gyfartal wedi dim ond 12 munud. 4edd gôl mewn 2 gêm i'r cawr Ben Amon. O, pas lac, Whitmore ymlaen at Sam Snaith. Snaith! A Leedsy allan yn sydyn i nadu Sam Snaith. Kane Owen, crymanu'r Bêl i fewn. O, mae di twyllo pawb! A Leedsy yn edrych yn syn. Kane Owen ar gic rydd yn rhoi Penybont ar y blaen cyn yr egwyl. Rhys, Jack Wilson ar garlam. Wilson i fewn i'r cwrt. Kane Owen sy'n ar draws. Wilson torri ti fewn. Morris yn arbed yn isel. Hwlffordd yn bygwth. Rhys, Henry Jones. Jones yn llithro'r bas, yn gwadd Jazz Richards i'w chroesi hi. Richards i fewn, Cisse yn sgorio! 10 munud i fynd ar ddôl y bont. Mae Hwlffordd yn gyfartal. Pas wedi mesur yn berffaith gan Jones. Richards yn creu, ac ydi Cisse wedi cipio pwynt i Hwlffordd.
I thought it was a really good game. Obviously, to be 2-1 up with 10 left and not win is disappointing, but I've got to give them credit. I thought they played well, especially first half.
And now on to 2 big games against Barry.
Yeah, you know, they're massive every game. It's the nature of this league, especially when you're fighting for something, is that you play a game, you might get a good result as we did last game, and you think, no breathing space, we've got to win the next one. And now we've drawn tonight, and now I feel we've got to win the next one to keep the heat on at the top.
I thought the boys played with good intensity, showed good character, and again, you know, had opportunities to win it, like our last game. So yeah, the game was a bit more open-minded second half, but again, we were pleased with the boys' attitude and character.
But now there's 2 vital games. You're in the relegation zone after tonight against Aberystwyth.
Yeah, but I think we've got to look at it now. We've gone 2 games against clubs that are going particularly well and put in 2 good performances and got 2 good results. So I think we're in good shape for the Aber game. Obviously, they've gone and won tonight. So it's a case of recovering well and making sure that we're ready for that one.
Yeah, fi'n credu'n edrych nôl bach yn siomedig. Dim ond i cael y pwynt, yn gweld bod y Drenewydd wedi colli a oedd siams gyda ni mynd i'r ail safle. Ond hefyd, mae'n pwynt dda oddi ar cartre. Manager newydd gyda Hwlffordd a o'n nhw'n edrych yn tîm dda. Felly na, fi'n credu oedd y pwynt yn deserved pwynt.